Welcome my channel Prohok Street Food. Thank you for your watching my video. My new video about the street food helps money street food in the Cambodia. If you want to come in Cambodia and you can go to buy the street food in Cambodia a lot. This is the activity that street food in the Cambodia at the point near border in the Thailand. Most of people they come to join in the morning and to buy something to make the cook his home every day. Okay, if you watch my video already, and please also like and comment and share my video. I will try my own best to make more and more and more and more video for you watching every day. Okay, let's go for my review. Okay, this is for the rice that they are sold on the street food. They has many kinds of the rice in Cambodia. Yes, we have the nuance rice, we have the Hasmani rice, Thai in Cambodia. Some rice is very delicious. So when you buy and you can select which rice Thai is delicious when you cooking rice. Okay, yes, this types of rice you can buy it's around maybe 1 kilogram, maybe $half, right? Yes, so if you want to visit in Cambodia, has many kind dessert in Cambodia, right? You like example this one you can eat very cheap and cheaping. You can pay only $half or $0.25. You can eat this dessert. It delicious in the Cambodian street food, right? So I recommend all of the people in the world, if they can come to join a visit tour in this Cambodia, they will be sure the kind of this dessert very delicious, right? Yes, I say money is kind of the dessert in Cambodia. You see, I also know that most people in the world, especially from the other foreigners and coming into Cambodia, they just buy it and test it. And with some YouTuber blog, they also take the photo, take the video in the Cambodia. It's very good reviews. So if other peoples in the Cambodia or in the world, if this is for the action, the sale, the action, the market in the Cambodia every day and every day. Yes, they just sell and to other peoples around the village or the market. So they come to buy it every morning, afternoon, and evening. Because of the need. Yeah, so let's go for this vegetable has many kind in Cambodia. I just want to promote all the street food in Cambodia have a lot, right? I think the other country have like that the same for this vegetable. But you see, most of the Cambodia we don't have the market and to sell other country. They just plant, just get himself and sell. So sometimes they cannot sell. Yes, you see, you know, right? This is a lot of the fruit in Cambodia. The fruit, the vegetable. Yes, I am very sorry for the Cambodian. They have very food, but they don't have the market how to be they sell, how to be they promote from other country. They just sell in the local, in the Cambodia only. So sometimes they have production a lot, but they cannot sell more because of the Cambodia has a lot of the seller and no marketing to the other country. So I think if the other country likes and love, okay, you can make the promote and to make this fruit and to sell the other country. You can promote with the Cambodian supplier, can go to sell in the country like Thailand and Vietnam and other country that he want to get this fruit in Cambodia. Okay, you can go and come Cambodia and to be promote this fruit and to make the company have a lot of the seller. So it means that if you love my video blogs, okay, you can help me for supporting. I will show you more and more than this in the whole the Cambodia fruit. This is only the other province that we can sell the fruit every road, but sometimes they are affect to the traffic jam also because of they don't have the market. They just sell in the roads only. Yeah, this is for the chakwai. You can see this one chakwai. Yes, this is very delicious. If you want to eat, yes, this chakwai you can eat with the porridge, right? You know the porridge. Yes, most of the porridge in Cambodia have a lot. You can after they are finished the cooking, and you can put the chakwai with the porridge and then eat. Yes, mix together and then very delicious, right? This is the action activity that they are cooking the chakwai. You know the chakwai? Yeah, chakwai. You can buy very cheap, only 2 piece, and on together 2 piece we can call 1 piece. Only the $0.05. You very cheap. Okay, let's start to watch whole my review. Thank you. Đã chứ bông? Ở đây dùng còn xài không? Hot.
Xài khang xài kì.
Cam phiếp bông, cam phiếp lũ đô chứ. Và hơi thì. Cho nó cho em miếng tất đi. Khơi đang. Ôi luộc đi cái luộc ta luộc trăng món này.
tập rau chua còn có rồi.
Đang ăn kéo nè.
Mau ơi. Đây.
Tôi đại vậy. Chục món không ló này. Tí đây. Mà là món mình. Lốt đại chứ.
Thêm Mỹ gì à?
Lúa xả đấy này.
Thôi video lấy like rồi mọi người.
Ở đây như cắt to bây giờ xả đấy này. Like với tràn tình. ๆ